Halo, ini lagi di perjalanan mau make up yang ringan-ringan aja untuk built-in. Jadi mau pakai BB cushion Madam G seperti biasa. Aku pakai nomor 4. Ini shade-nya agak keping gitu. Sebenarnya aku pakai nomor 1 juga bisa. Subrcris.
These coffee cups are getting cold. Mind the people passing by. They don't know I'll be leaving soon. I'll fly away tomorrow to far away. I'll admit a cliche, things won't be the same without you. I'll be looking at my window, seeing Adelaide sky. Would you be kind enough to remember? And I'll be hearing my own footsteps under Adelaide sky. Would you be kind enough to remember me? I let you know what's on my mind. I wish they made you portable. Then I carry you around and round. I bet you look good on me. I'll fly away tomorrow. It's been fun. I repeat the cliche, things won't be the same without you. I'll be looking at my window, seeing Adelaide sky. Would you be kind enough to remember? And I'll be hearing my own footsteps under Adelaide sky. Would you be kind enough to remember? I've been meaning to call you soon. We're in different times. You might not be home now, but would you take a message? I'll try to stay awake and fight your presence in my head. And I'll be looking out my window, seeing.
Nah, ini lip matte-nya Madam G yang terbaru. Shade-nya nude garis. Walaupun isinya nggak semuanya nude karena kita tetap mau masukin untuk variasi. Kalau ada yang warna yang lebih bold, ada merah aja. Jadi ini aku mau pakainya ini ya. 4 bulan.